Ever feel like you need a dozen screens just to keep up with your investments? Juggling different platforms can be a nightmare. Information overload, login fatigue, the whole thing is enough to make you want to throw in the towel. But what if there was a broker that kept things simple? That's where Questrade comes in. They're a Canadian discount brokerage known for their low fees and user-friendly approach. But with all that talk of simplicity, you might be wondering, how many platforms do they actually offer? Buckle up, because the answer might surprise you. Beyond the basics, unveiling Questrade's platform arsenal. At first glance, Questrade might seem like a one-platform kind of place. They have their main platform, Questrade Trading, which is a web-based platform accessible through your browser. It's great for beginners, offering basic charting tools, essential research, and all the functionality you need to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options. But here's the kicker, Questrade doesn't stop there. For the power players, introducing IQ Edge. Let's say you're an experienced investor with a taste for advanced analysis. Questrade has you covered with IQ Edge. This downloadable platform is a trader's dream, packed with powerful charting features, technical indicators galore, and even level 2 market data. You can customize your workspace to the nth degree, set up hotkeys for lightning-fast order entry, and conduct in-depth research to fuel your trading decisions. Think globally, invest globally, Questrade Global. But what if your ambitions extend beyond the borders of North America? Fear not, the adventurous investor. Questrade Global is a separate platform specifically designed for trading foreign exchange, forex, and contracts for difference, CFDs. It offers access to a vast array of international markets, giving you the opportunity to diversify your portfolio and potentially capitalize on global trends. Just keep in mind, forex and CFD trading come with their own set of risks, so make sure you understand them before diving in. Mobile mastery, trading on the go with Questrade apps. No matter how dedicated you are, there will be times when you need to manage your investments on the move. That's where Questrade's mobile apps come in. Both Questrade Trading and IQ Edge have their own mobile counterparts, allowing you to check your portfolio, monitor markets, and even place trades, all from the palm of your hand. The power of choice, freedom, and flexibility at your fingertips. So, how many platforms does Questrade offer? The answer, it depends on your needs. They provide a core web platform, Questrade Trading, that's perfect for beginners, while also offering a downloadable platform, IQ Edge, for power users. For the globally minded investor, there's Questrade Global, and for those who value mobile convenience, there are dedicated apps for both Questrade Trading and IQ Edge. The beauty lies in the fact that you're not restricted to just one platform. You can choose the ones that best suit your investment style and level of experience. Remember, this freedom of choice extends beyond platforms. Questrade prides itself on offering commission-free trading on stocks and ETFs, which can save you a significant amount of money in the long run. They also boast competitive margin rates and a variety of account types to cater to different investor profiles. The takeaway, uncomplicated investing with options. While some brokerages bombard you with a dizzying array of platforms, Questrade keeps things refreshingly simple. They offer a core set of platforms designed to meet the needs of different investor types, with the added bonus of complete flexibility. Whether you're a beginner navigating the stock market for the first time or a seasoned trader wielding advanced analysis tools, Questrade has a platform that can empower your investment journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.